The Gospel of Luke, chapter 4:18. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. My God Himself has anointed me. Today I take the topic on silence. This is one of the secrets of divine success. We receive the supernatural power. We will be able to unleash the hidden power when we keep the silence. Unlimited potential power is released in the deep silence. And that is a secret. This is not teaching any universities. All the universities working with the conscious mind. When we are aware, we have a conscious mind and unconscious, subconscious mind. When we are working in the conscious mind, only 10% of the power, human potentials are able to use. But when we keep the deep silence, 90% of hidden power of our mind, that power of subconscious mind is released. The power of the Holy Spirit, God's power, we can make use when we sit in the deep silence. Number one, when we sit in the silence, maybe in the morning time, after the Holy Mass, you go into the Blessed Sacrament, sit. Maybe half an hour or 1 hour. Jesus is telling to disciples, be at least 1 hour, be with the Lord. In the night, Jesus was full time with the Father. He was in the deep silence. So, the first blessing in the silence, you get a clarity of the mind. The mind will be clear. All the contaminations, all the confusions, all the chaos, disturbing thought. If you have to get an answer in your mind, you have to remove all the confusions, all the disturbances, and when the mind will be very, very clear, you will get intuitive knowledge will be given to you. The divine message, the divine voice, divine guidance, you will get it in the deep silence. You get a deep silence. You are not able to take a decision in your life because of the confusion. You sit in the silence. Maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Maybe 1 week you keep the silence. Your mind will have a clarity and you will be able to correct decision. It is in the moment of decision your destiny is changed. You have to be able to take correct decision. And when you become silent, your vibrations, the brain vibration will be calmed down, and you will be able to connect your mind into the divine realm. I give you a special power animals of this world is having. Suppose any natural calamity is taking place. Tsunami was coming. All the animals were saved. They knew something is going to happen. They all escaped. But in tsunami, many human persons are died. They were not able to they were not able to understand something is going to happen. It is, suppose you wanted to, there is a frequency, it is in the brain waves. If you wanted to see the star channel, you have to shift the vibration into the star. You wanted to get BBC, you get to tune into the BBC vibration, then you will get it. Exactly the same way it is in our brain waves. When it will be calmed down in the deep silence, you will get the connection with the divine realm, and you get a intuitive knowledge, you get an inspiration, you get a correct, you will be able to take a correct decision. And that is why, and and any decision you are taking, it is in the divine realm. If it is a God's will, your plan will be successful. Why? It is a God's plan. Human plan, it is, we are not having the surety. How you can get it, the divine plan? Your mind should be connected with the divine realm, and that is, you need the intuitive knowledge. You have to develop it. So that is why you have to keep the silence, especially in the morning time, and you sit in front of the Lord in the deep silence. It is in the prayer. Slowly, when you practice, slowly breathe in and breathe out, relax your body, be in the presence of the Lord, and any message, any questions you are having, you get a clear answer. Before going to sleep, you deep silence, create emotions of thanksgiving. You ask the Lord, Lord, speak to me. Lord, speak to me. Lord, speak to me. I need an answer. I have to correct an answer. I have to take a decision. And you'll get it is like a flash of ideas. Maybe within 2 days, maybe while walking, maybe taking bath, and the divine knowledge is flashed into your heart, and your decision will be correct. You will be able to take a divine decision, and it is correct decision, and you will be blessed in your life. You will be always successful. And that is why spend a time in silence, so that you will be able to take correct decision. Your mind will have a clarity, and you will be successful. That is a secret of divine success. Thank you.